One of the key visual elements and challenges in authentically renovating and updating an historic 100-year-old plus bungalow was to find and select just the right vintage-looking ceramic tiles for the various rooms. We chose to recapture the simplicity and timeless charm of the home's original subway ceramic tiles while adding some of today's designer enhancements that would update the look while still not taking away from the feel of the early 1900s. It was a delicate balance. I went to my favorite manufacturer that I'd been specifying for over 20 years and found exactly what I was looking for in the timeless yet always fashion-forward lines offered by Jeffrey Court Tile.
I'm Andrew from Jeffrey Court, and we're here at 604 2nd Street, a project we were working on with the Carey brothers, and I'm excited to debut some of the uses that they did with our tile. So one of the breathtaking elements here in this custom shower that the Carey brothers put together is this wonderful herringbone. It's a European look that was revitalized by Jeffrey Court using European porcelain, believe it or not. And it's tough as nails, it's durable, and they've managed to work this herringbone pattern all the way into a linear drain, which is just a unique look. Most people struggle with trying to make the shower slope just right, and they overcame that challenge by incorporating a wonderful linear drain that also just kind of carries on the pattern seamlessly. So in the guest bath, the Carey brothers utilized elements out of our Chapter 10 breakwater collection, which is a handcrafted gloss ceramic line that has an elegant Belgian linen texture pressed into it while the clay is still wet. So what is unique about that is not any one piece is exactly the same as any other. So it's a true custom installation from floor to ceiling.
More home improvement tips on the house after this. Welcome to the On the House studio and workshop. When Brother Morris and I aren't out on the job helping folks convert their home improvement dreams into reality, we're doing it through our radio program each week. When it came to renovating 604 2nd Street, our historic renovation, and tile, we reached out to Jeffrey Court Tile. We wanted an attractive product, but we wanted something durable and easy to maintain, and we got all of that with Jeffrey Court Tile.
The tile used in our home is absolutely wonderful. In particular, the Jeffrey Court tile used on our bathroom floor is one of the most impressive things I think I've ever seen. It's beautifully installed, but it just has such a natural feel to it that it's very impressive to look at.
Check out jeffreycourt.com for more information or visit them on social media.